After selecting your paper and before you begin cutting and folding, you want to determine the grain of the paper. Just like a piece of wood, all paper has a grain to it. By that I mean the fibers of the paper tend to run in one direction. You want to make sure the grain of the paper runs parallel to the spine of the book. Here's why. This piece of poster board has been folded against the grain. You can see how the fold is ragged and uneven. This piece is folded with the grain. The fold is even, smooth, and rounded. To determine the grain, take 2 samples of your paper. Fold them in opposite directions. Then wet each fold slightly. As they dry, the paper folded with the grain will dry smooth along the fold line. The piece folded against the grain will tend to buckle. We're going to make tiny holes in each signature using the awl. To do this, take 2 books of equal size and thickness and lay them side by side, leaving a small space between them. Open one signature and lay it flat. Move the signature until the fold rests over the space between the 2 books. With your awl, make a small hole where you made your pencil marks. Don't push the awl too deep, just deep enough to pierce the paper and to create a hole about the thickness of your binding needle. Begin sewing the first signature. Start from the outside at the foot and pull the needle through the first hole. Then bring the needle and thread out through the second hole. Over the binding tape and into the third hole.